Hi guys, it's Gemma here, and as many of you know, I will be heading to China this summer, and I want to make a quick video about what this trip will be about and what will I do there and what's the purpose of the trip and why I chose to go. So this trip consists of going to Beijing, take a tour of it around the cities, and then we get to have the opportunity to talk with the adoption director who is in charge of domestic and international adoptions. So that's pretty cool. And then we would take a bullet train from there to Xi'an. That's where we will be. That's where terracotta soldiers be. And then we will volunteer for the rest of the time at the orphanage. And we get to have a shopping spree, hang out with them, take care of the babies for a week. And yeah. I think this is going to be a great opportunity for me and other adoptees because we will get to say to the kids that they're going to be okay and they will have a forever family home someday and that they're getting taken care of for the next week. Shower of love and kindness and the toys that they will receive and to show that there is hope.